Hello, how are you? Welcome to your class. Today you are going to learn long division by bus stop method and with word problems. Okay, so let's start over. Okay, so we can start over with an easy example, that is 225 divided by 5 by using your bus stop method. How do we divide? We have to divide this number by 5. That means you need to read your times table of 5 up to where you can find 22 or a number near 22. So as you know that 5 times 4 is equals to 20, which is near 22, right? So 5 times 4 is 20. I'm going to write over here. And now what you need to do, you need to take away 20 from 22. That means 2 minus 0 is 2 and 2 minus 2 will give you nothing. So it means we are left with 2 and now we need to take down the next digit, that is 5. So now we have 25. Now you need to seek this number again into times table of 5, that is 5 times 5 equals to 25, right? So here I will write 5. That means 5 times 5 is gonna give you 25. So 25 minus 25 means 0. Okay, so now we can move towards long division. That means I can choose a number 4465 dividing by 19. Okay, so what do we mean by that? We have to divide 4465 with 19. Okay, so it means what you need to do, you need to read the times table of 19 and first we can find 44 or a number near to 44. So you know that 19 times 2 is equals to 38. Okay, so I can write over here 19 times 2, 38, and then we need to take away 14 minus 8 will give you 6, and here will be 3 left. 3 minus 3 is 0, so I'm not gonna write anything over here. Now 6 is less than 19. It means you need to take down the next number, that is 6. Okay, so take it down like this. Now we have 66. You need to go back into 19 times table, find 66 or a number near to 66 in the times table of 19, right? The important thing is this, that you must need to learn the times table from 2 to 19 at least. Okay, but if you forget, if you don't know, you can multiply as it is, like 3 times 9 is 27 and 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 57. Look, now 57 is very near to 66 because if I multiply 19 times 4, then the number is going to be bigger than 66. Okay, 4 times 9 is 36 and 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Now look at 76 is bigger than 66. So it means what I need to do here, 19 times 3 equals to 57. Now again we need to take away 16 minus 7. What's gonna give you? 9, and here will be nothing left. Now look at again, this 9 is gonna be less than 19, so you need to take down the next digit, that is 5. So now we have 95 here. Again we need to go back into times table. We have 19 times 2, we have 19 times 3, we have 19 times 4. Now we can try 19 times 5, and that is 5 times 9 is equals to 45. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So look at, we have found our number equal to 95. So now 19 times 5 gave me 95. Here you go. So your remainder is 0. It means your answer is equals to 235, right? Now let's divide 4895 by 46. So what we need to do again by our bus stop method, 4895 divided by 46. Look at, we have to solve 48 first, and you need to find it into times table of 46. So look at here, 46 times 1 is 46, very near to 48. Understand? Because if you will go into 46 times 2, your number is going to be far bigger than 48. That means 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So 92 is very much bigger. So that's why we have to take 46. Okay, now we need to take away 8 minus 6 is 2, and now this 2 is less than 46, right? So what you need to do, you need to take the other digit down, that is 9. Okay, but the problem is here, 29 is still less than 46, isn't it? 29 is smaller than 46. Now what to do? We have an other digit over here. Okay, so can we take it down? Yes, you can take it down. But one thing which is very important, and you need to note it down, when you are taking simultaneously together two numbers down. Okay, look, first I took 9 down, now I'm again gonna take the other digit down, that is 5. Before taking it down, you have to put a 0 on the top. Okay, that's the thing where actually student make mistake. So you need to note it down so that you can never make such mistake, right? Now I can take this 5 down. Okay, so remember, when two digits you are taking down in your division together, you need to give a 0 on the top. Now we can do our further division, that is, we need to find 295 in times table of 46. Okay, so when you will multiply 46 with 3, you will come to know that 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 will give you 138, which is smaller than 295. Now I'm gonna try it in some big number, that is 46 times 5. That is 5 times 6 is 30, and 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23. Still this number is smaller than 295. Now we can try in times 6, that is 6 times 6 is 36. I can write like this. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 will give me 27. So now 276 is near to 295. If I will go into times 7, the answer is going to be far bigger. It means I can write here 46 times 6 is 276, right? Now we can take away 15 minus 6 is 9, here 8 left, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So now this 19 is less than 46. Okay, but we have no number ahead, right? What to do now? Now this is your remainder. What you will call it? Remainder. So your answer will be like this: 106 remainder 19. Okay, all right. Now take one more last example. 6527 divided by 31. Okay, now again what we need to do, we need to find 65 in times table of 31. Let's do 31 times 2 is equals to 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now this is near 65. We can write 31 times 2 equals to 62, right? 5 minus 2 will give me 3. 6 minus 6 is nothing, right? Okay, now this 3 is less than 31, right? That means 3 is smaller than 31. So what we need to do? We need to put down the next digit, that is 2. Okay, so I can write here 2. Now this 32 is bigger than 31, right? We can find it in times table of 31, and the nearest number to this is 31 itself. That means 31 times 1 equals to 31, right? Now 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 3 is nothing. So this 1 is again smaller than 31. What to do? You need to put down the last digit, that is 7. Again 17 is smaller than 31. Okay, 17 is smaller than 31. We have no number ahead. What to do now? You can write it as it is as your remainder. So your answer will be equals to 21 remainder 17. Okay. Okay guys, so that's all for today. The word problems we are going to learn in next lesson. Till then, take care.